Struggling with the challenges of charging your electric vehicle at home? From slow charging speeds to costly installations, many EV owners face frustrating hurdles. But what if there were simple solutions to make home charging faster, easier, and more efficient? In this video, we will answer all your questions and show you how to transform your home into the ultimate EV charging hub. Electric vehicles, also known as EVs, are gaining popularity as a cleaner and more efficient alternative to conventional automobiles powered by internal combustion engines. On the other hand, home charging can provide a number of issues for many people who own electric vehicles, including the expense of installation and the constraints of electrical power. Why charging at home is so important? Home charging is the driving force behind electric vehicle ownership. You will be able to begin each day with a completely charged battery, which is not only time and money efficient, but also handy. The majority of electric vehicle charging takes place in the house, according to surveys. However, despite its many advantages, home charging can be difficult to implement, particularly for new owners of electric vehicles who are not familiar with the necessary infrastructure or technological requirements. Common issues when charging your devices at home and how to fix them. The absence of a charging station that is specifically designated for that purpose. The problem is, many new owners of electric cars, EVs, charge their vehicles using regular household outlets, which is referred to as Level 1 charging, the most straightforward configuration. This one is also the most time-consuming, as it typically takes more than 24 hours to fully charge a car. The solution is to install a Level 2 charger, which is as follows. The charging time is greatly reduced by using a 240-volt outlet, which is used by Level 2 chargers. For instance, a Level 2 charger can fully charge the majority of electric vehicles in between 4 and 8 hours. Exorbitantly high costs of installation. The problem is, there is a wide range of prices associated with installing a home charging station, which can range anywhere from $500 to $2,000, or even more, depending on the electrical configuration of your home. Shop around for chargers. Compare various Level 2 chargers in order to choose one that is within your price range without sacrificing the quality of the charger. Take advantage of incentives. Confirm whether you are eligible for federal, state, or municipal tax credits and rebates for the installation of electric vehicle chargers. There are additional discounts offered by certain utilities. Electrical capacity that is extremely limited. The problem is, there is a possibility that older homes do not have the electrical capability to accept a Level 2 charger, which would necessitate expensive panel upgrades. Load sharing technology. Certain Level 2 chargers come equipped with load management technologies that enable them to share power with other household appliances without causing the electrical panel to become overloaded. It is recommended that you make an investment in a smart charger that can monitor the amount of electricity that is being used in your home and alter the charging rates accordingly. Insufficient availability of parking space or garage space. The problem is, because not everyone has a garage or parking area that is specifically designated for electric vehicle charging, home charging might be difficult for people who live in apartments or who have parking on the street. In the event that you reside in a condominium or apartment complex, it is recommended that you consult with the management of the property in order to inquire about the possibility of installing common charging stations. Concerns regarding the rate of charging. The problem is, some owners of electric vehicles complain that charging speeds are too sluggish, even when they are using a Level 2 charger. This is especially true for those who have high daily mileage requirements. Charge your device during off-peak hours to take advantage of lower electricity costs and to prevent your home's electrical system from becoming overloaded. To expedite the charging process, you should consider upgrading your charger to a higher capacity Level 2 charger if your electric vehicle is capable of supporting such a device. Concerns regarding compatibility. The problem is, there are some electric vehicles that are not compatible with all chargers, which can lead to confusion and potential discomfort. The solution is to check compatibility, which means that you should make sure the charger you choose is compatible with the charging port and specs of your electric vehicle. Adapters are available to bridge the gap between different charging standards. These adapters can be used for automobiles that have connectors that are not commonly used, such as Tesla's proprietary plug. Unanticipated power outages. Number 7. The problem is, power outages can cause charging schedules to be disrupted, leaving you with an electric vehicle that is not charged at the time when you require it the most. Installation of backup power solutions. If you want to make sure that your electric vehicle is able to charge without interruption, you should think about purchasing a home battery system such as Tesla Powerwall or a generator. Plan charging windows. Start charging your electric vehicle as soon as you get back to your house so that you have a reserve of energy in case there are any unforeseen power disruptions. Make use of public charging stations. As a backup plan, you should maintain a list of public charging stations in the surrounding area. Home charging that is both efficient and cost-effective. Some helpful hints. Take advantage of the time of use rates that are available. As a result of time of use, TOU electricity rates, which are offered by many utilities, the cost of electricity is lower during off-peak hours. During certain times, you can save money by scheduling your electric vehicle to charge. Put money into panels for solar energy. By combining your home charging arrangement with solar panels, you can significantly cut down on the costs of charging your electric vehicle and make it more environmentally friendly. For the purpose of maximizing the utilization of renewable energy sources, certain chargers are compatible with solar systems. Emerging trends in the home charging industry: charging in both directions and forwards. During times of high demand, electric vehicles are able to feed power back into the grid or into your home thanks to bidirectional charging. Although it is still in its infancy, this technology, which is referred to as vehicle-to-grid, V2G, or vehicle-to-home, V2H, has the potential to make electric vehicles even more versatile. Charging via wireless technology. Home charging is made even more convenient by the elimination of the need for cords, which is accomplished with wireless charging pads. While this technology is not currently generally available, developments in it have the potential to transform electric vehicle charging in the not-too-distant future. The integration of smart grid technology. Electric vehicle chargers will play an important part in achieving a balance between the supply and demand of energy as smart grids become more widespread. It is possible for smart chargers to automatically modify charging rates dependent on the conditions of the grid, which ensures the highest possible efficiency. The ability to charge electric vehicles at home is an essential component of owning an electric vehicle, and although it can present some difficulties, the majority of these problems can be overcome with the appropriate solutions and careful preparation. As the number of people using electric vehicles, EVs, continues to rise, advancements in charging technology and infrastructure will make the procedure even more straightforward. The resolution of issues pertaining to home charging is not only attainable, but it also has the potential to enhance the overall advantages of owning an electric vehicle. Some preparation is required. Taking the effort to optimize your home charging setup is a step toward a more environmentally friendly and comfortable future. This is true regardless of whether you are an experienced electric vehicle owner or are just beginning your journey. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips, tricks, and solutions to make your EV journey seamless and exciting.